Hi Rajesh sir, happy Independence Day. How are you, sir?
Thank you, Jignesh. Happy Independence Day to all the viewers of Investment Guru.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I hope this day will bring, more energy and the market is enjoying at all-time high. So it's a celebration time for all the investors. So best wishes to all the investors.
Yes, sir. And sir, you were looking very smart in that picture that you had made with military outfit. So
Thank you.
yes, you are there on social media and everybody's watching you. So thank you
Yes,
for your
yes.
time, sir, especially on a Sunday. Good evening, sir. Sir, so markets have reached all-time high. People are really not knowing which direction it will go. So what's your view on the market, sir, and sectors that you like and the stocks that you like, sir?
So, Jignesh, this bull run is, continue, and we are seeing the, market is making new high. We were discussing at 14,500, then 15,000, 15,500. Now we are at 16,500. So this discussion, these kind of, views are, coming in the market that, market is going to top out soon. But, market is continuing. It's a bullish momentum, and the same behavior we are expecting that this bull run is going to continue furthermore, because now India is looking at the growth and the kind of results which we are seeing from the companies. All large cap mid cap companies have delivered good results. Sector specific growths are visible. Some of the sectors are still not able to come to their normalcy level, but still most of the sectors are showing that they are in the growth trajectory, and that is adding up the confidence amongst the investors in the market, and they are continuously buying the sectors where we are seeing the growth. Overall, if we analyze the situation at the current juncture, so most of the things are in the positive side, like earnings are in the positive side. uh, uh, Delta plus variant is also not much affecting to the India. Most of the states are now in the phase of unlocking. So and businesses are coming to the normalcy. If you look at the data, most major economic indicators and the data from the economic side is also suggesting the uptake. Tax collection is showing good growth. So these all parameter is suggesting that India story is going to continue further, and then this index is going to make further more highs from the current level also. So we are optimistic on the market. Yeah, volatility is the part of market, and we should not be worried about the day-to-day volatility of the market. But overall, if you analyze the overall picture as of now, it's clearly in the bullish, suggesting the bullishness, and one should use any dips as a buying opportunity. So if we talk about the levels, for traders, I would suggest 16,350, 16,300 are the important level as of now. Till we are holding this level, one should buy any dips near to this level. And those who are short to medium term investor, they should follow the 16,100 as a important level to watch for, or you can keep a stop loss at 16,500. So till market not breaks below this level, then there should not be any worry. One should be ready to buy dips. If any news flow gives any kind of volatility or dips to the market, it's an opportunity for traders to buy at the lower level. And on the higher side, my belief is that this it's again anyone guess ki whether market will take a pause, or market will consolidate at 16,700 or 17,100 or 200. It's because there is no resistance as of now, or the kind of flow which we are seeing in the participation which we have seen in last, especially in last 6 months from the retail side, which is very optimistic, and which suggests that whatever dips are coming in the market, everybody is ready to buy the stocks. Though we have seen some bit of corrective action in the mid cap space, especially in last week, but the kind of recovery again we have seen from in the quality mid cap, it's again a sign of confidence in the market. And we believe that this quality mid cap, and again the index is going to continue further higher. So we expect that this rally is likely to continue towards 16,800, even 17,100. Maybe it can be reach to this level in the month of August itself, or maybe it may take some time, but sooner or later we will cross 17,000 also. So there is no worry as of now. Uh, every dip should be the buying opportunity, should be used as a buying opportunity.
So what do you think about Bank Nifty? It is not showing the same strength.
Yeah, if we compare the bank Nifty, still, there is still, some bit of, cautiousness, in the banking and financial, sector. If we analyze the results also of the banking and financial, still, uh, most of the investors are, still waiting for, next quarter result, because in this results, there is no as a significant, data point which suggests the confidence on the result front. So we feel that, some more consolidation would be there in the banking sector and as well as in the financial stock. But quality banking stocks and quality financial stocks or NBFC stocks will keep on showing the strength if we analyze whole sector. So we feel that Bank Nifty is now trading at 36,000 level, but still looking at the structure, we believe that if Bank Nifty able to cross about 36,300 500 level, then there could be sharp up move we can see in the banking stocks as well as in the Bank Nifty, and then possibly we can reach towards the all-time high level for the Bank Nifty. But as the banking stocks are a high beta stock, very sensitive stock, and still the results are not that much encouraging compared to the other sectors. So my belief is that some more time we will take in the Bank Nifty, but buy on dips should be your strategy in the quality banks which are available near to the support area. For Bank Nifty, my belief is that 35,600 is the immediate support area for traders. If Bank Nifty doesn't break below now 35,700, one should use as a dips as a buying opportunity. If it's break below 35,700, then next support, major support would come at around 35,200. So these two levels are very important for the Bank Nifty as of now. On the higher side, as I mentioned, 36,300 is very important level. If we crosses that level on weekly closing basis, then possibly it can move further towards 36,700 or even 37,100 on the higher side.
Right, sir. Sir, so from a risk reward perspective, do you think is it a good time for long-term players or maybe traders to have some exposure on banking side?
So I would say those who are very long-term investor and they wanted to have some exposure in the financial stock, they can buy some of the private bank and some of the NBFC which are in terms of some of the stock which I could name here, like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance. These all stocks looks very attractive at the current juncture. And if you want to take some bet on the PSU bank, so SBI and Bank of Baroda would be the preferred bet from my side. Because if we analyze the holistic picture for the banking and financial, I think some more consolidation would be there. But if you look at the price behavior of all most of the banking stocks, which are still not shown any kind of up move in recent past also, despite index is trading at all-time high. But the one positive thing which we have seen from the price movement point of view, that most of the stocks are holding their previous swing low, which was made in earlier month. So that's the positivity on the banking stocks, because even despite of weakness in the sector, uh, all the stocks are trying to hold their previous swing low, and most of the time we have seen bounce back action or pullback action from those levels. So it's a sign of positivity on the near term as well as for the long term also, because we are holding the previous low, and most likely whenever some positivity comes for the sector or any positive news comes from for this sector, so most of the stocks will start showing some good up move. So yes, for long term perspective, one can buy and accumulate the banking and financial stocks also in this corrective move, or in this consolidation move.
Right, sir. Sir, IT metals, have really shown some brilliant move. Do you think it will continue from here on? And any other sectors that you like?
Yeah. So, if we talk about the sector per se, like, we still continue our bullish view on the IT. IT is forever sector, like, it's a evergreen sector and one should remain invested. Even traders also can, bet on the IT stocks because this sector is clearly in the bullish territory. And since last 1 year, we are seeing, IT stocks that deliver good amount of return, be it large cap and be it mid cap also. So from large cap we like TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech. From mid cap space we like Mindtree, Tech Mahindra. Even you can see Emphasis. Even some of the mid cap like Birlasoft, KPIT. These all stocks are showing very good strength on the chart, so one can remain long on all these stocks, and whenever stocks available near to support area, you can remain long. Metal is another sector showing good strength, but metal is in nature is volatile. So those who can digest this volatility of metal sector, they can remain invested. Even traders also can buy some metal stocks like Tata Steel, Vedanta, JSW Steel. These all stocks are looking very promising. So metal is also looks to be positive, and we believe that in the near term also metal stocks can do well. Another sector which we like, that is chemical space, is also looking very promising, and some of the chemical stocks like Deepak Nitrite, Lakshmi Organic, Naveen Fluorine. These all stocks are looking very promising, and one can look at this space also for near term as well as for the short long term also. Another space which we like is FMCG. FMCG space is again, slow steady growth you will see in the prices. So FMCG stocks are also looking attractive. Some bit of consolidation is happening, but we believe that this slow steady upward momentum is going to continue in the FMCG sector. So from FMCG we like Godrej Consumer, Bata, Titan, and Dabur, Marico. These all stocks are looking promising. Another sector which is showing some bit of strength in last couple of trading session, that is capital goods. So capital goods, from that space we like L&T, Siemens, and Cummins India. These three stocks are looking very attractive, and we believe that in the near term also some bit of up move we can see in the capital goods space. Banking, as I have already mentioned, some bit of consolidation, some private bank which we like at the current juncture, that is ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and from NBFC space, we like HDFC Limited at the current juncture. So some upward momentum is likely to continue in this space. Automobile, those who are very long-term investor, they can look at some of the automobile stock, because most of the automobile stocks are trading there near near to their support, long-term support area. But we believe that some more time it will take to recover. So this is all sectorial view as of now. Insurance sector we like, but again this is for investment point of view. One can look at insurance stock for long-term investment. Textile stocks can show some bit of up move in the coming coming month. So one can look at some of the textile stocks also in the for next 1 or 2 month perspective.
Right, sir. Sir, stocks for next week?
So we have identified some of the stocks from different sectors. So one stock is from IT sector, that is midcap IT. We like KPIT Technology. If you look at the pattern of KPIT, that is stock managed to give breakout of its uh, consolidation range on the weekly chart, and looking at the structure, we believe that that stock will continue its upward momentum towards 355 to 365 on the higher side, which is almost 8 to 12% upside from the current juncture. So we suggest to buy this stock in the range of 330, 324. Keep stop loss of 310. Stock is trading above all its short term, medium term moving averages. So we believe that this upward momentum is likely to continue further in the KPIT. Especially in the last week, we have seen the breakout of multiple resistance zone on the daily chart, which is with the high volume, is suggesting that this momentum is likely to continue in the next week itself. Another stock is Polycab India. Though stock was in correction, but if we analyze the last 10-15 days pattern on the chart, overall long-term trend is positive, but in the near term we have seen some bit of corrective action. But the stock has formed a base at around 1800, and now stock managed to give breakout on the daily chart of last 15 days, 20 days consolidation. Uh, and this stock is going to come in the derivative also from the next month. So again, some bit of buying action we have seen in the stock, and the breakout on the chart is suggesting that we can see another 8 to 10% rally from the current level. We are expecting 2015 to 2055 as a target in the near term to short term basis. One can keep stop loss of 1800 to buy and accumulate this stock. Stock is trading above its near-term moving averages. Stock is forming higher top, higher bottom formation on the weekly as well as on the monthly chart. So it shows that strength is there on the medium-term to long-term basis. Another stock is Gufic Bioscience. If we analyze the weekly chart, almost 15 to 20 week consolidation, almost 10 to 15 week consolidation breakout we have seen on the Gufic Bioscience. So the pattern suggests that this stock can rally towards 235 to 248 in the near term basis, which is almost 12 to 15% potential upside from the current level. One can buy this stock with stop loss of 195. Stock is trading above all its important moving averages. RSI is also in the positive mode. Volume action is very encouraging on this weekly breakout. So we believe that this stock can deliver good return in the near term basis. Another stock which we like, that is Titan company. So Titan has given breakout of its previous swing high, and after breakout stock is now shown good consolidation since last 7 8 trading session, and the kind of consolidation above breakout level is suggesting that this stock is going to continue its upward momentum in the near term as well as in the short term, and we are expecting 1900 to 1950 could be the possible target in the near term basis for the Titan. And the breakout on the chart is suggesting that this rally can continue in the next week itself, and we are expecting 5 to 10% kind of upside in the Titan. One can buy and accumulate the stock in 1835 to 1795 range. 1770 is our stop loss. Stock is forming higher top, higher bottom formation on the weekly and as well as in the monthly chart, and all the moving average on the short term as well as on the long term basis is suggesting that stock is in upward trend. So one can buy Titan also for short term basis.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And
Thank
once
you
again,
very much.
happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day. Thank you.